guys should be good. But there's
Hills in Antioch. A tornado. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
rainbow.
southeastern Milwaukee County and southeastern Wisconsin.
I can't see it on video.
County in southeastern Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 7:30 p.m. At 6:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Eagle Lake to near Paddock Lake to near Antioch, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenosha, Racine, Oak Creek, Mount Pleasant, South Milwaukee, Pleasant Prairie, Sturtevant, Union Grove, Paddock Lake, Winthrop Harbor, Raymond, Yorkville, Windpoint,
Yeah, I see.
Caledonia, Bristol, Paris, Brighton, Somers, and Elmwood Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Wisconsin.
For some wind chill and 16 mile per hour winds. We do have a new severe thunderstorm warning for DeKalb, Kane,
Tornado watch.